100% tool change speed. Okay, here's RPM. Spindle speed 1200, 2400, 3600, 48, 6000, 7200, 8400, 9500, 10,800, 12,000, sounds really good. Here's the upgraded chip auger system, 4 screws into a belt conveyor. The inside nice and clean. Paint is good. Table is in good position. Everything is really good. Here's the chip conveyor. And there's a quick view. Let's see. So everything, the pallet changes was mostly used just to get the pallets in and out, and we have a third pallet that we can get in with the crane. Upgraded lights, we put on LED lights. Programmable coolant, programmable air gun. It should have all the option except spindle through coolant, high pressure, because there's issues with that they will leak over time, and we just did not want to get into that. What else can I show you? Here's the upgraded big tool changer. 40 tools. And let's see what we got here. See if we can go wide angle. This is wide angle. We added filters so the cabinet is nice and clean. We have an extra M coat for the Royal Mist, which I'm not sure if that we're gonna sell that. Probably use it for the next machine.